In this video, we will learn how to divide the number 23 by 4 using the long division method. 2 is less than 4, that is why we will consider the whole number 23. We know that 4 times 5 is 20. Subtract, we get 3. Now 3 is less than 4, that is why we need to put a decimal here so that we can borrow 1 0. Now 4 times 7 is 28. Subtract, we get 2. Again 2 is less than 4, that is why we will put a 0 here. Now 4 times 5 is 20. Subtract, we get a 0. As we have obtained the number 0, so we will stop. Therefore 23 divided by 4 is equal to 5.75, and this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe the channel.